Hey there, welcome to another episode of Storytime with Elroy. Today I wanted to talk about the time that I fixed my TV. I didn't actually fix it. Anyways, I got this TV and it was a really good deal. Should have known. You see, it turns out that this particular company just makes cheap TVs that break. I probably should have realized that, but I didn't. I just thought I got an amazing deal because the picture quality was fantastic. But then, about 3 years down the road, broken TV. You see, what had happened was the LEDs went out. Those are the things that light it up. Anyways, so I was there and they went out. It's called a backlight issue. And I thought, rather than buy a new one, I'll just fix it. You know that fixing a flat screen TV is pretty brutal. You know, you look at a TV like that and you think, oh, there are probably a lot of screws in that thing, you know? Maybe like 20. There are a lot more than that. You see, I watched a video on YouTube and I started to fix it. I got 20 screws in and I was like, I wonder how many more screws to go. And then I realized I was only 2 minutes into a 20-minute video. I mean, I think even the screws had screws that held them in place. It was crazy. I was over there and I was like, Worst of all, I couldn't find my drill, so I was removing them by hand. Finally, I found the drill, but there were still a lot of screws. You know, I actually decided that I shouldn't worry about the screw thing, so I put everything back, and then I checked on a warranty. You know, it's actually pretty good because I have a warranty, and they cover backlight issues. So the moral of this story is, 1, don't buy cheap TVs. 2, check for warranties. And 3, well, if you're gonna fix a TV, have like 5 hours ready, because it's gonna be a while. But the biggest thing is check for the warranty first, because, you know, I didn't want to fix that thing, and I had a warranty. So I put everything back, and they said, Elroy, here's your replacement. And I said, thank you very much. It would have been a long time. Well, anyways, I'll see you guys in the next episode of Storytime with Elroy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.